So those blue tablets actually cause mold in my toilet tank. So I had to fix what the blue tablets started. I found this Vacplus toilet tank cleaner, and I'm going to be using these so I don't have to scrub that mess out, drain the tank. So real easy. These are the packs of 6, and I'm going to do 3 toilets. So I'm going to do 1 packet and then repeat if necessary 24 hours later. But so easy. Just take a packet, flush the toilet, get the water out, put this in, and do not move it, do not use it I'm going to do like 8 to 12 hours. This is supposed to help break down that gross buildup sitting in the tank. Once the tank is cleaned out, this is also good for ongoing maintenance. So once I get things cleaned up, I'm going to use these regularly, but so solid for cleaning and keeping that mold from coming back or growing more. It's really gross. I can't believe that those blue tablets did that. I opened it up and I was like, wow. So the reason why I got a pack of 6 is because it's really nasty in the bowl. So I'm thinking I'm going to do it, I'm going to wait, and then I'm going to repeat. So if your tank looks questionable, maybe you'll have to do it twice as well. But this is a simple fix to start with. And once we get it cleaned up, this is going to be a nice maintenance program. Vacplus Toilet Tank Cleaner. To get that descaling, demolding, get it all cleaned up.